Hello everyone. Here we got our new golf cart club cover. And so far from what I see, the material looks great. It's a nice solid material, comes in a bag. Nice little bag here. And good material. It looks like it's water repellent, just like they said in the instructions. But the most important part is let's see how this fits in a club golf cart.
Yeah.
Not a bad cover. Not a bad cover. Stitched pretty nice.
All right, hold on. Let me show.
Got good stitching on it. It's stitched nice. It's got double stitching. The material is really, really nice. I'd have thought it was thin, but it's actually a thicker material. It'll last a while.
And the zipper is
It's
like...
got a zipper here.
Yeah.
You just want to go inside the golf cart, just to, you know, if you left something in here, you unzip it, and you can grab your stuff. Or maybe if you just want to just come inside on a rainy day and just spend the day here, this will be nice too. Okay. Really nice. I like it.